What's up, guys? How you doing today? Scott here from Out and About USA. Just doing a little hike in the Gore Range area of Colorado near Silverthorne. I'm doing the South Rock Creek Trail via the Gore Range Trail. Got a pretty sweet little view right here, about 15 minutes into the hike, so I'm hoping that we have some good wildlife viewing and some great pictures, all kinds of crazy stuff. So let's go ahead and check it out. About 45 minutes in, very peaceful and quiet. Alright, well, I've been hiking for about 2 hours. I'm hoping that I run into the South Boulder Creek Trail here pretty soon. Just gonna do this little stream crossing here on this cool bridge. Hiking tip: trekking poles really help you to not slouch. They take about a 13% load off of your upper body, help you get up hills. They can help you get down steep hills. Alright, so I made it to the Boulder Creek Trail turnoff here, and just taking a little break, having some water, checking out this nice view here. And have a little banana and a granola bar before I keep going. Alright, well, I made it to the turnaround point. Basically, the trail disappears, which is fine, but I just didn't feel like doing the bushwhacking thing today. So, I made it to this large meadow here, and it's good enough for me for today. It's funny, I actually started out on that side of the meadow, which was supposedly the wrong side. So I kind of trekked across there through swamp and got a little wet, but not too bad. So I'm gonna turn around and start heading back. So I'm headed on my way back. Got about 4 miles to go. Check out that view, you guys. Oh my gosh, that's pretty stunning. Love these bowls here up in the high country. But if you don't feel like basically bushwhacking, I would recommend going maybe a little bit further than right here and then turning around, because it's pretty gnarly. No trail, you know, stepping over big deadfalls. Huge shout out to all the new subscribers out there. I can't thank you enough. Any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below there.